I went ahead and put the air compressor pump back on the tank. Got the belt hooked up and everything, and guess what? Let me show you here. It's all hooked up, ready to go, and I threw an end on here for now until I get it plumbed back into the shop. But I'm gonna fire it up, and you can watch watch what happens. I'll have to really mute this so I don't deafen you. Here goes. Rock and roll. She builds pressure. Now, I'm not gonna lie to you, I had it running already to confirm it was working. It's been running for a little while, nothing's seized up yet, so I guess that means that there's some lubrication, but I'm gonna let it build pressure all the way to the cutoff switch and see how she goes. But all in all, I'd say it was a successful rebuild, but we'll see the longevity of it. Hopefully she lasts for a while. If it blows up again, I'm just going to buy a whole new head. But I think if I do buy a new head, I'm going to tear into it before I put it together and make sure everything is all good to go in it. So until next time, take care and talk to you later.